So I'm going to demonstrate the workflow for connecting the Priority 600 seat to the seat post. So you're going to start by loosening this seat post assembly with 5mm hex key. And then you're going to just kind of thread that onto the seat like that. Nice and easy. And then slowly hand tighten the pieces back together. Note that you don't want to disconnect the bolts all the way, otherwise that will make things challenging. So I'm just kind of adjusting the seat, and as a male I kind of like to have it a little tilted down. Now your final adjustments will have to come when the the post sits in the bike, but you'll notice that the post is tilted backwards from the front part of the seat. So now I'm just going to use a little heat gun to remove the adhesive on the warning stickers on the seat, and then place the seat in the bike so that it's ready to go. Next, we're going to adjust the tilt on the seat itself by loosening the front bolt and the back bolt, and then tightening the front bolt before we tighten the back bolt, so we get it nice and level. You can go ahead and check the level with a little bubble level, make sure it's where we want it. Pop that back on the wall, and then we are good to go.